More information in description. Redmi Note 10 Pro Midnight Black 256GB 8GB RAM. Price $51,190. Effective price after Mobikwik 10. Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Pro is powered by 2.2 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G processor. It comes with 8GB of RAM. Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Pro runs Android 9 and is powered by a 5260 mAh non-removable battery. Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Pro supports proprietary fast charging. As far as cameras are concerned, the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Pro on the rear packs a 108-megapixel primary camera with an approximately 1.69 aperture, second 20-megapixel camera, third 12-megapixel camera, and a fourth 5-megapixel camera. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It sports a 32-megapixel camera on the front for selfies. Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Pro runs MIUI 11 based on Android 9 and 256GB built storage and is not expandable. Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Pro is a dual-SIM smartphone that accepts Nano-SIM and Nano-SIM cards. Connectivity options on Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Pro: Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth V5.00, NFC, infrared, USB Type-C, FM radio, 3G and 4G are included. 4G on both SIM cards. Sensors in the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor. Compass tilde includes magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor and fingerprint sensor. Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Pro supports face unlock. Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Pro 2.2 GHz. The octa-core is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G processor. It comes with 8GB of RAM. Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Pro runs Android 9 and is powered by a 5260 mAh non-removable. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and like this